what happened. And furthermore, Alice, you damaged my bag, Ethiopian Airlines. I don't know why you done that. And do know that I've complained. So if this video does reach you, then understand that you have frustrated a very loyal customer. And you can't just damage my bag like that and just get away with it. That's the 4th time that Ethiopian Airlines has done that. Flight finally after 3-4 hours. Let's go.
መካከል ሲገኝ ለኢኮኖሚ ክፍል መገናኞቻችሁ ደግሞ በዩኒቨርሲቲያችሁ ስር ይገኛል። በሚያስፈልግበት ወቅት ትጥቁን አውጥታችሁ በመጀመሪያ በራሳችሁ ላይ አጥልቁት። ከዚያም ትጥቁን ጫፍ በዛችሁ በወገባችሁ ዙሪያ ካኖራችሁ በኋላ ከሌላው ጎን ጫፍ ጋር ቆልፋችሁ
Hi, thank you. Cheers, bye bye. Alright guys, so just landed in Addis Ababa. Gonna be here for 5-hour transit, and then we're gonna go straight to London, UK. So this is the first impression in Addis Ababa. Let me just put my bag on. Yeah, gotta be the next flight, which is gonna be very long, so inshallah I'm going to make sure that we show you each and every single piece. So guys, that was an hour and a half flight from Mogadishu to Addis Ababa. Yeah, it's alright trip, not bumpy. Exactly my sort of trips. And next what we're gonna do is enter the immigration, and then we're going to find our flight to London, England. So let's go. Right, so just seen my flight, gate A16. So yeah, I'm in Addis Ababa now, trying to transfer my flight to London, England. So yeah, this is gonna be a long journey, guys. You know, like I said, I don't sleep on airlines, so it's gonna be very, very long journey for me. But I'm trying to get some coffee so that I can, you know, get my energy up for the next 7 hours, because I don't sleep on the flights. So yeah, this is my flight, and still have some time. It's on A16, so yeah, still got 2 more hours. It's now 11 o'clock. So let's go and check out, and then we're gonna come back. Let's go. So guys, it's time to get some coffee. We had such a, it wasn't a long flight, but you know, when you're leaving certain cities, it's very difficult in terms of, you know, traveling and whatnot. So I thought, let me get some coffee. I needed some fresh coffee because my flight, like I said, still got 2 more hours to go. And yeah, I don't sleep on a flight, so we're gonna have to get some coffee and then pick that coffee up. It's lovely. I need some good Ethiopian coffee to get me activated, because you know, it's going to be, I need some energy, you know. But yeah, guys, when the coffee comes, we're gonna have some coffee, wait our flight, and then we're gonna board to London. So this is Bole International Airport, and if you're not in Bole, or if you do come to Bole and you don't get no coffee, it is very, very difficult. Thank you very much. No, for me only. Only for me. Yeah. So I just got a coffee. What's your name? Tuji. Yeah, Tuji gave me some fabulous coffee, and yeah, it's gonna be enjoyed. Yeah, it's good. No, video. Not a video for YouTube. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So guys, this is our coffee. Yeah, this is the coffee here. As you can see, fresh coffee. And yeah, so let's get some energy, guys. We need some energy. All right, some good energy, man. So Yeah, man, guys, look at that. Fresh. Fresh. Yeah, so just gonna enjoy a little bit and then I want to take you guys. So let me enjoy my coffee. Kwa sababu jifta bali laptop gaske första hade inte för charge eller in där ute. Charge eller där. So guys, about to board to London. So we have a 7-hour flight. Let's go.
መንገደኞቻችን እንዲሁም የሼባ ማይት ፕላቲኒየም እና የስታር አሊያንስ ኖሮ እናረጋግጥልን እንወዳለን። ውድ ሼባ ማይት ተማሪዎቻችን እና የስታር አሊያንስ መንገደኞቻችን እንኳን ደህና መጣችሁ በማለት የላቀ አቀባበል ላቀርብላችሁ እወዳለሁ። ለንደን ለመድረስ የሚወስድብኝ ጊዜ 8 ሰዓት
Right guys, so just a touchdown after 8 hours. Such a long flight, and like I said, I don't sleep on a flight, so oh sorry mate, I don't sleep on a flight, so quite sorry man.
We're worrying about missing a plane.
Cheers. Have a nice flight. So yeah, 8 hours. It's a tough journey, man. But thankfully we're here, so let's go and explore. Let's go and explore the city. All right. Yeah guys, it's been a while. I haven't really seen here for a bit, so let's go check out all the new things in town, and then hopefully I want to show you guys a lot more. So let's go, man. Right guys, good to be back. It's been a while, and yeah, so now we have to find our bag in Addis Ababa. So it should be on apparently number 4. So let's go reclaim our bag, guys, somewhere around here. I hope they've landed, so let's check it out, bro. Right. أنا جاي لهلا يعني جاي لهلا كذا.
وسطا.
علو كل مسكين نو.
عبر حلوك أنت حلوك.
Passengers are reminded to check their luggage tags to ensure that the correct luggage has been collected.
Alright, still trying to find my bag. I think it should be somewhere around here.
In the interest of safety, parents are advised not to carry children on baggage trolleys or allow them to play on the escalators and moving walkways.
That was my bag, guys, but apparently it's not. Right guys, so finally just landed and trying to fit ourselves in. Yeah, very heavy journey, 8 hours. It was not something that we was expecting, because usually when we go on flights to Addis, it used to be 7 hours. I don't know what happened. And furthermore, Addis, you damaged my bag, Ethiopian Airlines. I don't know why you done that, and do know that I've complained. So if this video does reach you, then understand that you have frustrated a very loyal customer, and you can't just damage my bag like that and just get away with it. That's the 4th time that Ethiopian Airlines has done that. But yeah guys, so we're in London and gonna be here for the next 2 weeks. Yeah, so let's go and explore, and yeah, we're gonna go on this car for our ride home. So let's go, lads.